Hello everyone, welcome to ES Pharma Education YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to explain about first type of biotransformation reaction, that is phase 1 biotransformation reaction. In my previous video I had explained about what are the types of biotransformation reactions and what is enzyme inducer and what is enzyme inhibitor, and in this video I am going to explain about in detail about phase 1 biotransformation reaction. First, coming into phase 1 biotransformation reaction, it is otherwise called as functionalization reaction. It is otherwise called as functionalization reaction or else non-synthetic reaction. Functionalization reaction or else non-synthetic reaction. Phase 1 reactions are otherwise called as functionalization reaction or else non-synthetic reaction. So, in this phase 1 reaction, to that what type of criteria takes place I am going to explain. For example, I had taken any of the drug. So, to that drug any of the functional group is added or else removed. For example, I had taken one of the drug. So, in this phase 1 reaction, to this drug any of the functional group gets added or else removed, When this functional group gets added or else removed, at that time this drug chemical nature changes. So, initially when we are intaking the drug nature is lipophilic nature. The drug nature is lipophilic nature and in unionized state. But in this phase 1 reaction, when any of the functional group is added or else removed from the drug, at that time this lipophilic nature changes to water soluble state. This lipophilic nature changes to water soluble state and this unionized state changes to ionized state. After changing the chemical nature of the drug gets excreted out. This is one of the criteria which is followed in the phase 1 reaction. Or else sometimes this drug, instead of excreting, it enters into phase 2 reaction, or else sometimes this drug directly enters into phase 2 reaction. So, this is the definition of the phase 1 reaction. Next, coming into what are the types of phase 1 reactions present, I am going to explain in detail. So, generally in phase 1 there are 5 types of reactions. So, for each and every type some examples are present. So, in many of the competitive exams you can come across this question, what are the examples of certain type of phase 1 reaction? They will be asking you in this way. So, in order to remember the examples of each type of reaction, I will share you one mnemonic, that is as public-private partnership, of CM means Chief Minister, is useful for point-to-point protocol, and took part in post-processing format. You remember this mnemonic so that you can remember all the examples of 5 types of phase 1 reactions. So, whatever I had mentioned with the red color marker, that are the initial letters of the examples of types of phase 1 reactions. So, first coming into the hydrolysis phase 1 reaction. Lysis means breakdown. So, in hydrolysis the drug gets breakdown of breakdown of drug takes place when water is added to that drug. So in hydrolysis reaction, the drug breakdown takes place when water is added to that drug. So in order to remember the examples of hydrolysis reaction, I'll share you one mnemonic. As means the initial letter A. A means aspirin. A means aspirin. S means succinylcholine. S means succinylcholine. Public means in this initial letter P. P means procainamide. Procainamide. Next coming into private. Initial letter is P. P means procaine. Procaine. Next partnership. In this initial letter is P. P means procaine. Procaine and pethidine. And off means in this initial letter is O. O means oxytocin. Oxytocin are some of the examples of hydrolysis. Hydrolysis examples are aspirin, succinylcholine, procainamide, procaine and oxytocin. Oxytocin and pethidine. These are the examples of hydrolysis reaction. Next, coming into second type of phase 1 reaction. Second type of phase 1 reaction is reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen atom. Addition of hydrogen atom or removal of oxygen atom from the compound. Reduction means addition of hydrogen atom or removal of oxygen atom from any of the compound. Reduction means, you just remember, reduction means addition of hydrogen atom or else removal of oxygen atom from any of the compound. So the examples of reduction are CM. CM means Chief Minister. In this C means chloramphenicol. Chloramphenicol. Minister. M means methadone. The examples of reduction are chloramphenicol and methadone. Next, coming into the third type of phase 1 reaction. The third type of phase 1 reaction is oxidation. Oxidation. It is opposite to reduction. Oxidation means addition of oxygen atoms. Addition of oxygen atoms or removal of hydrogen atom from any of the compound. Oxidation means addition of oxygen atoms or else removal of hydrogen atoms from the any of the compound. This is the definition of oxidation. The examples of oxidation is useful for point to point protocol. This is a mnemonic for oxidation. In this initial letter P means phenytoin. P means phenytoin. Next P point to point. Next point P means phenobarbital. Protocol. Pro means propranolol. The examples of oxidation reaction are phenytoin, phenobarbital and propranolol. So till now we had completed 3 types of phase 1 reaction. So next, coming into the fourth type of phase 1 reaction, that is cyclization. Cyclization means conversion of straight chain compound into the ring structure. So for example, this is the straight chain compound. This straight chain compound is converted into ring structure. Cyclization means conversion of straight chain compound into the ring structure. This is the meaning of cyclization. The examples of cyclization is, mnemonic is PART. PART means initial letter P. P means proguanyl. Cyclization means conversion of straight chain compound into ring structure. The example is proguanyl. And next, coming into the last type of phase 1 reaction, that is decyclization. D means removal of this ring structure. D means removal of this ring structure of any compound. So ring structure compound is converted into straight chain. It is just opposite to the cyclization reaction. Decyclization means removal of ring structure. The examples of decyclization are, in order to remember this decyclization, the mnemonic is post processing. In this, P means phenytoin. Next, processing, P means phenobarbital. The examples of decyclization reactions are phenobarbital and phenytoin. So in this video I had explained what is phase 1 biotransformation reaction and what are the types of phase 1 biotransformation reaction and what are the examples of that phase 1 biotransformation reaction, each type of phase 1 biotransformation reaction, and I had shared you the mnemonic to remember all the examples of the phase 1 biotransformation reaction. So in most of the competitive exams you can come across these questions. What are the examples of phase 1 type of reactions? So in order to remember that examples, I had shared you this mnemonic. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe ES Pharma Education YouTube channel for more videos regarding pharmacy. And don't forget to press the bell icon.